to puregadgetreview.com. In this video we are going to unbox OnePlus 6 mobile phone. Let's see what's inside the box. The phone comes with a 6.28-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1080 pixels by 2280 pixels. OnePlus 6 price in India starts from 34,999 rupees. The OnePlus 6 is powered by 2.8 GHz octa-core processor, and it comes with 8 GB of RAM. The phone packs 128 GB of internal storage that cannot be expanded. As far as the cameras are concerned, the OnePlus 6 packs a 16-megapixel primary camera on the rear and a 16-megapixel front shooter for selfies. The OnePlus 6 runs Android 8.1 Oreo and is powered by a 3300 mAh non-removable battery. The phone is looking as awesome. And the build quality extremely impressive. But the price is little higher. The phone screen is FHD plus full optic AMOLED display with 2280 by 1080 pixels resolution and 2.5D Corning Gorilla Glass 5. The OnePlus 6 is a dual SIM, GSM and GSM, smartphone that accepts nano SIM and nano SIM. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, NFC, USB OTG, 3G and 4Gi. Sensors on the phone include compass/magnetometer, proximity sensor, accelerometer, ambient light sensor and gyroscope. The phone contains 20MP plus 16MP primary dual camera with the features of OIS, super slow motion, portrait mode and many more. With this 16MP front-facing camera, the phone is expected to bang, as the super fast charging and Snapdragon processor are few of a higher power-packed phone. We have taken some photo and video on this phone camera. Let us see. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe us. Press the bell icon to get our channel update first.